My people, good morning or good afternoon and good evening. Today is 1st of March 2024 for today. Therefore, location when I can monitor installation of aluminium metro tile on our Stokotech roofing. When one of our viewers come to talk show give a aluminium man, make you do for years now come monitor for today. In front of me and the aluminium man be this. Okay, good afternoon.
My people, now good afternoon. I greet you now for the time when I tell them listen to us. So God bless all of you now.
May God talk to you. So my name is Saboye. What about your name?
My name now Kelly Osemege, one I know as God send aluminium.
So what are they and the work when one of our viewers give you now come monitor installation for metro ties. So you take me the round the work whether I don't finish or you sit there on it. Before they take me in the round the work, I got aluminium and wait to go let our viewer patronize you through this our channel. Particularly they want to give this job.
First of all, I'll first thank our viewers who be say give me this work. We be say he watch our channel, cause okay, he like our work. He can't give us this work. I say God will bless him. I say the money we be say he go take finish this house, he not go harder. Anything we put on, God go bless him for it in Jesus' mighty name.
Amen. Our viewer before you give any of our client work, you have to call our number the top of this video. So our viewer now see do the wooden work. We go start for wooden work. So I got aluminium man, the 4 type of wood we enter, the number and the each price. Let our viewers they know.
My people now well done. I greet you now. The wood we enter here, no say na 4 type of wood now they normally they use for this our metro tiles roofing. So the wood we first of all I'll first start for the 3x4. 3x4 we enter here now 40 pieces. Now be for the 3x4. So why the 2x4 we enter here now 300 pieces. So then the 2x3 we enter here that one are 80 pieces. Then why the 2x2 we enter here now 550 pieces. Now it be. And I'll see they name the price. The price of the 3x4 will be say a day here now 4,000 naira. Now we take buy them. Then why the 2x4 we day we buy that one for 2,500. So the 2x3 we still day we buy that one for 2,100. Then why the 2x2 we day we buy that one for 1,300. So that's
what about the name we enter?
Okay, my people, una well done. Una know say things we increase this period, not the year. So the nail we dey here now we use 4 bag of nail, which is we use 2 bag of 3 inches nail. We use 2 bag of 4 inches nail. So nail can cost well. Okay. So the money we take bag of nail for here now 39,000. Now I take buy a bag of nail. So you can times that 39,000 times 4.
It's 39,000 per one bag.
And that time we they buy for 14,000. So it don't go 39,000. So more than no say it is all.
It don't really go up. So have you not here with it talk bag of nail 39,000. So Oga, this wood when they roof this house, not the one with the dust when it be come up going.
No. The wood na better wood, it not go dust. We know if you use wood with dust they do Stokotech because Stokotech get weight well.
Okay, get weight.
So we know if you use them. So we make sure say the wood we use now very strong wood. So if you see this wood now red wood, the wood now very strong wood. So now we take do and so it not go dust.
You tell our viewer the height of this roofing. Now send down the rail been a normal one.
Now send down the rail. The height of this roofing are 20 feet. Now we put on
20 feet. That one is send down the rain. Your labor of the wood.
Now labor when I take do this wood now 270,000.
Okay.
I collect for
270. So more go to Stokotech. That is metro. How many square meter enter the roofing organ?
The square meter we enter here now 580 square meter.
580. 1 square meter. How much?
For now, you know, say as I talk just now, as that nail still go up now, so everything follow on, especially all those things we be say that they import, they come from abroad. So the meter for this Stokotech now we buy for 7,500.
Before how much?
Before at least early this year we buy for 5,200.
Now 7,500. Wow, every cost. Okay, times the
meters we enter na 580. So you can't use that 7,500
times the
580.
Okay, what about the range? The range there the meter?
No, the range not the that one still there on the hole. So that range we enter then na 60 meters.
Okay, 60 meter. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, how much for the square meter for that one?
The square meter for that one are 6,500.
Okay, times 60.
Exactly.
You will get this Stockholm known as metro. It get gauge.
No, you know the gauge.
So what is the name of this very one?
This one what we use on a plastic. So
Plastic.
in a plastic, so you know, Stockholm know the gauge. You only they get design, you know, different pattern. You understand that they see shingle, that they see classic, they see bone, they see minano. So now different pattern, but all of them are the same thickness, now the same gauge, now the same material. Now
Okay.
they be now only the design, now
different.
Exactly.
This one, it not the leak.
No, you know the leak.
If you give guarantee say for 10 years, it not go leak.
You know the leak. You know the leak. If you know say sometimes the roof if you miss nail, so now it make they say they get gum. As you miss and then you just see use that
use gum to lock am.
Everything go off. So you both just see they do the gum, they follow and they come. In case anytime we be say they take miss nail, you put the gum. The time go just see. Say me by itself come they leak. No, not they get that one. Not the leak.
Okay, aluminum man. Also some site when they see concerning this roofing. Now black before you can't wash, you can't be like ash. Why be like that, Oga?
My people, you know, say if it still depend on the company where we say you for buy. You know, you not get, but waiting I try to tell our viewers say, you know, say some we will get for year, you see they harsh. You understand? But only say if they still the last pass each other. You get some way be say go see last you 10 years, go see last you 8 years, you not go see get issue. While some day will be say after 1 year, 2 years, it don't fade. You understand? So now be the eating. So why that one will be say after 1 year, that one still depend on where you go buy. Okay. You understand? So why some day will be say if you really go buy for buy the one will be say that they import they come. All those one, that one still they take time before you go start to the change color. You understand? So I know if you tell you say now forever and ever.
Okay. That means the one where they import, that one they could change. That means that they produce for Nigeria here.
Yeah. So
okay. So like how much accessory enter here?
For the accessories we enter here, that one 70,000. So something we they use 50 before, but no, I don't see.
Now well, but we go pray to come in.
Amen.
You see, calm down. So if you tell how you about the wood and the solution of metro, the total amount when you enter, you have just know. The total for now, made no sense for now. We take one.
Total amount we enter this house now for now 6.5 million.
6.5 million. Both the wood and the solution of aluminium. Okay, you quick call your number when our view have to reach you.
Okay, my people agree to now. My number still remain the same. So I be 080 94 33 6330. The other one still they will be say 081 2115 0612. So the two now don't they WhatsApp.
Okay.
So the two don't they WhatsApp.
They finish with this on WhatsApp. They finish with the other WhatsApp.
Yeah.
So my people, I greet some person wanted to watch this video. So may I show now as the work they go on now. Small, I remember you won't finish. Thank you. So when you work, you give our clients, we must work on monitor the job. That's why I did here. So you don't mess more with you with the work. So when I not get shaking once, you know, come across this work. Our channel, when I get this type of work, when I give our client, when I give them no wahala, we dey monitor the work. When say now the fear say they will carry money around for this. I don't talk show, you know, be like that. So my people, I just now I wanted to watch this video.